afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 comments past question. Question number 15. Question number 15 says the path through which a product moves from the manufacturer to the consumer is dash. Manufacturer simply means producer, that is the producer of a particular product. Then consumer means the final buyer, the final buyer of that product produced by that same company or manufacturer. A, channel of communication. B, line of production. C, means of transportation. D, channel of distribution. The correct option here is option D, channel of distribution. So when we talk of channel of distribution, it simply means the process by which finished goods get to the consumers, and it can also involve what we refer to as middlemen. When we talk of middlemen in this process means the wholesale people who buy in wholesales and also sell to others. Then we also have the retailers. The retailer sells in units to the final consumer. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.